ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಪಲ್, ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೆ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಕು, ದ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಬೆಳಕು ಟು ಬೆಳಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಲವ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಮನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್?
ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೆಳಕು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ವಿ ವರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ 100% ವಿ ಗಾಟ್.
So ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮನೆ is something which is very important. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ very interesting thing is that kitchen space ಗಿಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. What was the idea behind it?
Actually the thing is, constructed house was in the ground floor, right? So the pillars were already built, right? We can't change it. If we change it, the strength will not come. So adakoskara ade pillars inda tagombandu just we designed it. Actually in the ground floor, that is the master bedroom area. So that is a bigger, and here the in staircase and all has to come in that place only.
Correct.
That's why the kitchen came little bit, but I felt it's okay. If kitchen is big, for me it is more work. In that thing also I thought.
So you have totally 3 rooms constructed, one on this floor and 2 more on the other one.
Yes.
So let's start from the master bedroom. So master bedroom walk-in wardrobe is there, and also I like the bed, however it's been done, and the color combination of it, and the bay window, everything looks so beautiful, and the lights which has been used also is very artsy. So
that is completely credit goes to this interior designers. So that elegant colors they have chosen for, and with the trendy colors, trendy designs, like we can see the fluted panels and all.
right.
So that made it beautiful.
How was the overall experience with the Harish Mane? I think since months now, it's know you guys have been interacting with them since months now. How has the overall experience been? Has it been smooth? Because once already mane katti abhyasa iroru ನೀವು. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ was it smooth enough to handle everything and communicate and everything?
Yes,
it is very smooth.
It was very smooth. In this Bangalore kind of a city, it was very smooth for us to select agirbodu, to interact agirbodu, ene agirbodu. It was very smooth because we have so many options in Bangalore, like granite select agirbodu, ene select agirbodu, and even the contractors as well. We have so many options, but still we are very happy that we selected Harish Mane.
Yeah, and also ನಿಮ್ಮ schedules ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ both of you are working and you have a small kid also at the home. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ schedule ಗೆ adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು provide ಮಾಡೋದು it is a very difficult thing.
Correct.
So ಅದು ಕೂಡ
any planning idrunu they used to ask us, are you free in this time to select these kind of things. If we say no, for sure they'll say, like they'll appoint for us like weekends agirbodu ಅಥವಾ public holidays agirbodu. They used to give appointments on those days itself. So it was very helpful for us.
Right, and the thing about Harish Mane is that ನೀವು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. So everything A to Z, everything will be provided under one roof, and it's one-stop solution for all your construction needs, be it your home, be it a residential property or be it office space, anything. So I think that is one USP which consumers can blindly trust Harish Mane with anta ansutte.
Quality wise, no compromise at all.
That's amazing.
We selected Harish Mane because we will get everything in one place.
Correct.
Because we don't have time.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
They'll spend their time in searching the gray areas of each other.
Correct.
No execution at all, no 100% will not be there. That's why we were looking for like construction with the interior design together.
Right.
So that they'll only construct and they'll only do the designing and they'll not complain.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೇಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಮನೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಬಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಮನೆ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿನೂ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ.
Thank you so much. Thank you Harish Mane for constructing this beautiful house for us.
ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಮನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ.
We can see.
ಎಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಮನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Thank you.
Thank you.